Coal. We know it as the black rock that creates our electricity, powers our homes, and acts as the current backbone of the Australian energy sector. But coal is so much more than this, and that's why it's one of our top 3 environmental offenders of Australia. First, let's clear up some misconceptions about coal. Coal is a combustible dark, brown, or black rock made of ancient trees and plants that have carbonised over millions of years, also known as carbon in a solid form. The energy from these plants is preserved in the coal, and when it's burnt, the energy released can be used to generate electricity. But when we burn coal, carbon monoxide is released as a waste material. This carbon monoxide presents a huge problem to the Australian environment as it contributes significantly to global warming by insulating the atmosphere. But coal is not just presenting problems for global warming, it is destroying the beauty and integrity of the Australian landscape and environment. In the Hunter Valley, beautiful parts of the Australian environment are being threatened by proposals by mining corporations to turn them into this. This comparison is just one of the countless examples of how coal is destroying amazing Australian landforms and the environment on the whole. But it's not just the mining that is having adverse effects on Australia's wildlife and environment. Coal seam gas fracking is a method of extracting coal seam gas from underground seams. It involves drilling to the seam and using water pumped at high pressures to pop the bubbles of gas which can be used to generate electricity. But where does the water they use go? It is collected from the seam, taken back to the surface, and dumped as a waste product wherever the fracking company wants, even sometimes in a nearby river. Take the Condamine River in Queensland as an example. A year or two ago, a huge fracking operation dumped enough wastewater in the river to fill 8 Olympic swimming pools. Then they left, and the Condamine River has been suffering the consequences ever since. Toxicity levels in the water soared, and many plants, aquatic creatures, and land animals around the river died off. Coal is wreaking irrevocable damage on our landscape and environment, and this is why it is one of Australia's top 3 worst environmental offenders. Check out the website for more.